Welcome to our special feature, where we bring the wisdom of Grandma's frugal living into today's world. Often, the most effective ways to save money and live sustainably have been handed down through generations. Today, we're going to explore 15 of these age-old frugal habits, updated for our modern lifestyles. Mastering the art of meal planning. Plan meals like a strategist. Like Grandma, plan your meals around sales at the grocery store and seasonal produce. Embrace batch cooking and freezing to maximize efficiency and minimize waste. Green thumb savings with home gardening. A garden is a treasure chest. Even in urban spaces, container gardens or community plots can provide fresh herbs and vegetables, reducing grocery bills and offering the joy of homegrown produce. Home repairs and improvements. Be your own handyman. Utilize online resources to learn basic home maintenance skills. This can range from fixing leaky taps to painting and decorating, saving on costly professional services. Tip for art of upcycling. Old items, new uses. Repurpose items creatively. Turn old t-shirts into cleaning rags, refurbish furniture, or transform jars into storage solutions. Energy conservation techniques. Save energy, save money. Adopt energy-saving habits like using draft stoppers, setting thermostats efficiently, and switching to LED bulbs to cut down on utility bills. Cheapsy. The joy of thrift shopping. Thrift stores hold hidden gems. Explore second-hand shops for clothing, furniture, and household items. It's economical, environmentally friendly, and you might find something unique. Crafting personalized gifts. Handmade gifts from the heart. Invest time in creating personalized gifts like baked goods, knitted items, or handcrafted cards, which can be more meaningful than expensive store-bought gifts. The envelope budgeting system. Envelope budgeting for control. Allocate cash for different expenses in labeled envelopes. This visual and physical method of budgeting can help curb overspending. Preserving and canning. Preserve today's bounty for tomorrow. Learn the basics of canning and preserving seasonal fruits and vegetables. This not only saves money, but also ensures you have quality, homemade food year-round. Community engagement for savings. Community is key to saving. Engage in community events, local swap meets, and skill-sharing groups. These are great ways to socialize, learn new skills, and save money. Natural and homemade cleaning products. Clean with nature's ingredients. Utilize simple ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils for effective and natural cleaning solutions, avoiding the high cost and chemicals of commercial products. A minimalist and functional wardrobe. Dress smartly, not expensively. Focus on building a functional wardrobe with versatile, long-lasting pieces. Quality and classic styles trump quantity and trends. Walking and biking as primary transportation. Your own energy is free. Whenever feasible, choose walking or biking over driving. It's healthy, eco-friendly, and saves on fuel costs and parking fees. Resourceful cooking and food usage. Get creative in the kitchen. Use leftovers creatively and learn to cook versatile dishes that can be adapted to whatever ingredients are available, reducing food waste and grocery costs. Rediscovering simple pleasures. Simple joys are often the best. Rediscover the pleasure in simple, cost-free activities like picnics in the park, stargazing, community library events, or crafting. In today's fast-paced world, Grandma's frugal living habits offer a refreshing perspective on managing finances and living sustainably. These 15 tips provide a roadmap to a lifestyle that values resourcefulness, simplicity, and mindfulness. By integrating these age-old strategies with our modern routines, we can enjoy a fulfilling, balanced, and economically savvy life. Let's embrace these lessons from the past and carry them forward into our future.